Hey everybody, Chris here. So Dogecoin is still on target. Huge gains still expected. We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You get notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 o'clock p.m. East Coast time here in the United States. So join me wherever you are in the world, because during those live streams, we can expand our conversations and look more closely at the charts and the news and also other cryptos as well, whatever's on your mind. So join in on those live streams. But for now, we do have some momentum building right now here in mid-August, and that's getting people excited. So let's get into it. Let me show you the charts and the news right now that I'm looking at. And we start here looking at the Dogecoin chart, moving up towards 10.5 cents. So we have come above this resistance line at 10.3 early this morning. And this is a good positive start for the trading day today. Bitcoin trying to get back to 60,000 here and is continuing to move up. Once Bitcoin eclipses 60K, we think we are going to see a progression of movement forward, going up. That's right. We do see positive signs now in crypto, recovering from dips that we have been watching throughout the past week and a half. This is good progress going forward. Overall, we still have a mix. We still have some that had some previous gains that are now pulling back, such as Sats and Sui, Notcoin, Celestia, others. We have been watching those. Big winner again. Aave is still moving up. And here's Doge, just hanging out, kind of right in the middle right now, pretty much following Bitcoin as it goes. So overall, what are we looking at? Well, on the live stream that we had on Wednesday, we looked at the top meme coins by percentage of holders currently in profit. And Doge was the largest. So we still have, essentially because there hasn't been as big of a pullback that we've seen in Dogecoin as we've seen in others. Check out the live stream. It's recorded. It's on my YouTube channel if you want to see more detail on what this was about, because we talked extensively about it and other meme coins. And I've got one other just to talk about at the end of this video that people have been asking me about, continuing to ask me about, and I want to address here. But first, what's happening with Doge? Doge has this 1,120% imbalance in liquidations, more on the bull side. What is this about? This is information from CoinGlass that's basically saying there's been over $1 million worth of long positions on Doge that have been liquidated during the past 24 hours. And on the short side, it's only about 100K. And what is this about? We talk a lot about liquidations. And here's the overall liquidation heat map over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, 28 million, ETH, 27 million of liquidations. And we see this morning, as prices are moving up, we see some big Solana liquidations happening here. There's been over $1.8 million just in the last half an hour on Solana liquidation. So what is going on here? Well, we had, as prices were going down, we were seeing lower lows. And so we saw more and more liquidations of the long. But every once in a while, there'd be a spike up. It would take out a short position. So that is all going to turn around more toward taking out the shorters, which we see over the last 4 hours on all of the exchanges. We're seeing more short liquidations happening because prices are moving up. So those that were betting on prices to continue to move lower, mostly opening short positions here over the last 12 hours, those are the ones getting liquidated as the price is moving up. And we like that. We like to see the shorts get liquidated, get squeezed out, and have prices then continue to move up as we go forward. Astronomer gives a Doge update and says, high conviction on Dogecoin because it has a lot of community footing, big names backing it, but also a strong chart with high technical respect. Most projects are still below their Q4 2023 prices, but Doge is still holding a structure which shows relative strength. So Doge did not fall percentage-wise as much as a lot of other altcoins. Again, not comparing to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has been held up mostly because of those spot ETFs. But on the alt side, with Doge is respecting its cycle characteristics. All we need now is a break above the local high, and in his opinion, Doge is ready to send again. So this is what he sees moving up for Dogecoin, and then by October, November, we are up in the 20s for Doge. Doge price rally signals huge gains on the horizon. Yes, huge gains. What is happening here? Doge making waves in the crypto world again, with its price steadily climbing over the past few days. Wow, it's been really only the past 12 hours or so, but Dogecoin price seen a 3% increase in just the last 24 hours, catching the attention of traders and analysts. What is this? Well, its price is jumping close to 10.5 cents here. And it's noteworthy that Dogecoin used the 10-cent level as a launch pad. This level is crucial because it often acts as both a support and resistance zone. We definitely want to stay above that and then continue to move higher. Everyone watching closely to see if Doge can push back above its recent high of 11. And if it managed to do so, it could be a signal that more gains are on the horizon. The recent increase in Doge price has been accompanied by a significant uptick in trading activity. According to data, spot trading volumes for Doge have risen by 35%, reaching over $800 million in just the past day. This surge in activity has helped Dogecoin reclaim its position as the most traded meme coin, overtaking Pepe, and open interest in Doge futures has grown by 3%. So, more and more jumping on. Hopefully, those new leveraged longs don't get liquidated this time. We want the price to go up. But we know those market makers, they're snipers, and they're going to look and see to take out exceptionally large, long leveraged trades, because we've seen that again and again. And that is what leads to this up and down price action, especially the big dips that we see could come down to snipe an exceptionally large leveraged trade, somewhat lower, and then move back higher. So that's what we have looking forward. And where could this price go? Well, we looked at Kev Capital and we looked at his TA on the chart, and we'll be exploring that again in more detail on Friday's live stream. We'll be looking at more chart analysis on where Doge can go, but he is still looking at this $2 price target. Yes, if the pattern repeats of what we've seen for 4-year cycles, if that pattern repeats, by the first quarter of 2025, we could be seeing $2 Dogecoin. Of course, that would be based on what? A big catalyst, right? Something needs to propel Doge forward. And that's what we're waiting for, right? That's why we're accumulating at these 10-cent Doge prices for that big, huge gain coming forward. So that's it with Doge. I did want to talk about one other thing, and this is Neiro. People are still asking about Neiro and what Neiro is about. Well, the owner of Kobasu, the Dogecoin mascot, the original Doge, now has a new dog named Neiro. After Kobasu's passing, she now has this dog Neiro, Kobasu's, quote, sister. This sparked a wave of new meme coins centered around the new dog. Multiple coins entered the market. Neiro, on Ethereum, which is an ERC20 token, seems to be head and shoulders above the rest and could be the next Dogecoin. And I just say no. It's a token. It's an ERC20 token. It doesn't have its own blockchain. There is no next Dogecoin. Investors into Neiro are trying to make money on it, but it has no use case like Dogecoin does. nor is it really supported by the Dogecoin community. So some of you may be chasing this thing, and good luck to you, but there has been all of these influencers out there saying, did we just find the next Doge? No, it's not the next Doge. It's just another meme token. That's all it is. What happens with the price? Yeah, the price spiked up after launch. And the people who are making most money on that spike were the devs, the early investors. They're the ones who make the money. If you buy at the top, price goes down, then you lose. So, but this is Kabasu's mother with the new dog Neiro, and she basically says, look, to clarify, I do not endorse any crypto project except the Own the Doge, which is who bought the NFT and the right to the Doge meme, because they own the original Doge photo and IP. And they are committed to doing only good everyday charitable works and Doge culture. So, tokens related to Kabasu or Neiro, not endorsed by Neiro's owner. We also had quite a bit of selling going on. There were some wallets selling like $4.5 million of Neiro tokens. So be careful out there with that. Again, as I've talked about on others as well, with these tokens out there, they're not the next Dogecoin. Only Dogecoin is the next Dogecoin. That's all. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about these potential huge gains for Dogecoin? Join on the live stream. My next one will be Friday at 4 o'clock East Coast time here in the United States. So join in on that. Leave a comment below. Again, let me know what you think. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.